Hi! Welcome to another Jetsip tutorial. Setting the time zone on a phone number is important so the time schedule rules are relative to your location. To update the time zone, click the Change button and select the new time zone you want to set for this number. Then, update the time zone. You can change the time zone whenever you need to, although, in most cases, you'll only need to set it once. And that's how you manage time zones on phone numbers. Thank you for watching, and thank you for using Jetsip. Please subscribe, and keep an eye out for other tutorials at the end of this video. Have a great day.